This is August 5th, 2015, and they are installing solar panels on my roof today. And that guy's putting the thing through his harness. The panels will be on the back of the house. This is the front of the house. Just showing you how the crop going on. And this is the back of the truck. And the panels are on the side of the truck. This thing now?
That's the inverter.
Okay, and that's going to be hanging on the wall. Okay.
That's a big item.
Hit the panels. Panel's gonna send electricity to this, and then this is gonna send is gonna convert the electricity from DC to AC, going to your meter.
Okay, I don't know. I've asked this question a couple of times. So if PG&E's power goes out, will I still be able to? If it's daylight, will I still be able to turn the lights on in my house?
I'm not sure how. Maybe because I'm the apprentice electrician, and Jose is the manager.
Okay, I'll ask Jose. So these are the panels that are going to go on my roof. They're a lot lighter looking than I thought. I'm not going to try and touch them. I don't want to damage them. These are the things they're putting on the roof right now. Okay.
This disconnect here will turn off and on your solar system.
Okay.
When you pull it down, it'll be off. When you push it up, it'll be on. It's there's signs here that say what the position of the disconnect is.
Okay.
Off and on. So after you turn this on, there's a knob here that it's also a switch to turn it off and on. You flip it and it turns on. Yeah. You can put a lock here on this little ring so that nobody can either turn it on or off. Do you see?
And there's another lock over on this thing too.
You can put a lock in this here so nobody can open it.
Get a lot of locks, huh?
Yes. When the disconnect is in the on position, you won't be able to open the door. It's locked.
Okay.
But it's not a bad idea to have a lock here, just for additional protection.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So I got to turn both of them on and both of them off, or?
Yes.
So it's on right now.
It's on right now. Both of them are right now. We're testing the system right now, making sure that it's
working.
It's properly. Yes.
Okay.
And when you're turning it off, you just switch this knob off and pull this handle down.
Okay.
And that'll be on the off position.
Is there anything I need inside that little box?
No. There's fuses in there.
Oh, fuses. Okay.
Yes. But
Okay.
Okay. Other than that,
it says error over here. Oops.
Yes, it's troubleshooting right now.
Okay.
Other than that, I hope you like the paint job that we did.
It looks fine.
Yeah. And oh, one more thing: the city will be here next week to have an inspection on our work.
Okay.
After that, the next step is PG&E will have to come over and inspect the job again.
Okay.
That'll be in about 3 or 4 weeks.
Okay.
And after that, you should be clear to turn on your system. In the meantime, it needs to be
Off.
stay off. Yeah.
Okay, so let's see.